What if I told you that everything you learned about trading Forex is a lie? That the biggest financial market in the world, over $7.5 trillion daily, is a battlefield of deception, and you were never meant to win? Stick around, because in this video, we're going to expose the game, the players, and how to escape the trap once and for all. When you first learned about Forex trading, they told you it was easy. Just draw a trend line, they said. Buy support, sell resistance. They promised you could make a fortune by simply following the news or using the RSI when it's overbought. But they didn't tell you the whole truth. The market isn't moved by support and resistance. It's moved by power, by manipulation, by smart money. And the worst part? They knew you would lose, because the entire system was built to beat you. Let's break it down. The Forex market is a zero-sum game. That means for every trader that wins, someone has to lose. And guess who's losing? The 95% of traders who follow YouTube tutorials and Instagram mentors. The ones relying on outdated indicators and emotional guesses. The ones who don't know the truth. Here's a shocking stat. Over 90% of retail traders lose money in the first 90 days. Why? Because they're not trading the market. They're trading what the market wants them to believe. Let me ask you, have you ever taken a trade, watched it go in your direction, then suddenly, price reverses, hits your stop loss, and then it continues right back in your direction? Yeah, that's not a coincidence. That's liquidity manipulation. Now let me expose how the lie works, step by step. Step 1. Inducement. The market creates a trend line. Retail traders see it, they jump in. Step 2. Liquidity bait. Equal highs and equal lows form. What retail sees as support, smart money sees as stop-loss liquidity. Step 3. The trap. A breakout happens. Everyone buys. Boom. Reversal. Stop hunt. Retail loses. Banks win. Step 4. Institutional entry. Price returns to an order block or fair value gap. That's where the real entry happens, not where you entered. Smart money doesn't chase price. They let you show your hand, then take everything. You might think you're trading against other traders, but the truth is, you're trading against algorithms, central banks, liquidity providers, and hedge funds with billions of dollars in insider data. They don't need indicators. They use order flow, volume, market structure, and time of day to execute precision entries. They don't care about your trend line. They create your trend line, so they can break it. The average institutional trader is not thinking like you. They're thinking, where is liquidity resting? Where are traders trapped? And how can we move price to get filled? You've been playing a game you didn't even know you were in. But here's the good news. You can escape. You can stop being the prey and become the predator. How? First, stop relying on retail indicators. Second, learn smart money concepts. BOS, break of structure. COSH, change of character. FVG, fair value gap. OB, order blocks, and liquidity pools. Third, understand that the market is engineered, not random. Here's an example. When price hits equal highs and pulls back, most think it's resistance. Smart money sees it as a liquidity raid zone. They're coming back to take it. It's not about being fast. It's about being on the right side of the manipulation. You're not here by mistake. If you're watching this, it means you're tired of losing, tired of fake gurus, tired of being manipulated by a system you barely understand. You're ready to rise from zero. And that starts today, with truth, with knowledge, with a new way of seeing the market through the eyes of smart money. You don't need luck. You need clarity. You need a strategy based on how the market really works, not how they told you it works. If you want to keep trading like everyone else, that's your choice. But if you want to trade like the banks, if you want to stop donating money to the market, then click the subscribe button right now. Because in our next video, we're diving deep into smart money versus price action, why retail traders always lose. You don't want to miss that. Comment below, I'm done with the lies. So I know you're serious. And remember this, the market doesn't care about your feelings, but it rewards those who understand its language. This is Rise from Zero, and this is just the beginning.